A Physical Change by Madison. Do you ever wonder how the ice in your lemonade turns from water to ice? Well, I have an experiment that might help you to understand. Before you begin, gather a bowl, a stove, a freezer, a workspace, and some water. It might be helpful if you turn down the freezer below the freezing point and heat up the stove. Liquid to solid. Step 1. Now I will tell you how to create a physical change. First, pour your water into the bowl. The water should now be in the shape of the bowl. Water takes the shape of its container because it is a liquid. The liquid has a definite volume but no definite shape. Step 2. Next, put the bowl in the freezer and wait. Now let me tell you what is happening to the water. Well, the freezer is below the freezing point, 0 degrees Celsius. As the water gets cold, the molecules slow down and stop moving, making it solid. Take the bowl out. You now have ice. Solid to liquid. Step 4. Now that you have ice, I'm sure you're thinking, what do I do now? Well, let me tell you. Now you have ice, a solid. The molecules in a solid are tightly packed and don't move around. Because of these factors, a solid has a definite volume and a definite shape. Step 5. The next step is to turn the water back into ice. To do this, put the bowl in the sun. This adds heat energy. When you add this energy, the ice will melt. A half to 1 hour later, you should have water. This is an example of a physical change. A physical change is when a substance changes its appearance but is still made out of the same thing. Liquid to gas. Step 6. How we will make gas. Gas molecules move very quickly and are not tightly packed together, so gas has no definite shape or volume. The next step is to create water vapor. In order to create water vapor, you must heat it above boiling point. Step 7. To do this, place your non-heat sensitive bowl on the stove and turn the heat up to 100 degrees Celsius. See the steam wafting up in the air? That is water vapor. Now you know how to make a physical change, so next time you put ice in your drink, you know how it's formed. Glossary. Freezing point. The freezing point of a substance is the temperature in which it changes from liquid to solid. For water, the freezing point is 0 degrees Celsius. Physical change. The change from one form to another form without turning to a new substance. Volume. The amount of space that an object or substance takes up. Molecules. A particle of matter. Solid. A state of matter that has definite shape and definite volume. Gas. A state of matter that takes the shape and volume of its container. Liquid. A state of matter that has definite volume but takes the shape of its container. Water vapor. The gas state of water. Boiling point. The temperature in which matter turns from liquid to solid, 100 degrees Celsius.